Good day, food and history lovers. Welcome back to another delectable episode of Food Storian, the channel where we dive deep into the tantalizing tales behind our favorite dishes. Today, we're unraveling the sweet history of a dessert that's as light as a dancer's twirl, the New Year's Pavlova. But before we waltz into the world of Pavlovas, let me ask you a question. What's fluffy, crisp on the outside, and as iconic as a New Year's Eve fireworks display? Well, my friends, the answer lies in the land down under, Australia and New Zealand. Picture this. It's New Year's Eve, and everyone's gearing up for a fantastic celebration. But what's that one thing that steals the spotlight and leaves taste buds dancing in delight? Subscribe and let's find out. Now imagine the stage is set, the curtains draw open, and in the spotlight we have the graceful Pavlova making its grand entrance. Named after the iconic Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova, this dessert is a culinary masterpiece that pirouettes its way into the hearts of dessert lovers. Anna Pavlova was known for her ethereal performances, and this dessert is a sweet ode to her grace and elegance. Legend has it that the Pavlova was created in the 1920s, and since then it's been leaving a trail of culinary enchantment. Picture it. A delicate meringue base that's as light as a ballerina's leap, crisp on the outside, and oh so tender on the inside. It's a dance of textures that mirrors the delicate balance of a ballet performance. Crafting the perfect Pavlova starts with the meringue base. It's a bit like preparing for a ballet, precise and enchanting. Take your egg whites, add a touch of sugar, and whisk away. The result? Billowy clouds of meringue magic that'll have your taste buds doing a happy dance. And here's the secret ingredient, a dash of vinegar and cornstarch. It's like the choreography that makes the meringue hold its shape, just like Anna Pavlova held the stage. Once your meringue masterpiece is ready, it's time for the Pavlova to take center stage in the oven. Watch as it gracefully transforms, turning golden on the outside while maintaining that soft marshmallow-like interior. Now imagine the applause from your taste buds as you witness the Pavlova's triumphant performance, crisp and sweet, just like a standing ovation in your mouth. But the Pavlova isn't a solo act, it's a symphony of flavors. The final act involves a spectacular assembly. Nestle it on a plate, and it's your canvas for a dessert masterpiece. Berries, passion fruit, kiwi, or a drizzle of chocolate. The toppings are like the colorful costumes in a ballet, each adding its own flair to the performance. Now that we've unveiled the star, it's time to dig into the enchanting world of meringue magic. Picture this as your own kitchen ballet, with egg whites taking center stage and sugar as their dance partner. Cue the egg-cracking symphony. Eggs, like prima ballerinas, need finesse. No shell bits allowed. We're aiming for a smooth, velvety meringue. Now it's time for sugar, our dance partner in sweetness. Grab your trusty whisk and prepare for a dance-off. Whip those egg whites into peaks as fluffy as a tutu. It's not just about mixing. It's about creating a cloud-like symphony in your mixing bowl. And here's where the fairy dust comes in. Just kidding! It's a touch of vinegar and cornstarch. These secret ingredients, they're like the choreography that keeps our meringue performance in perfect form. A little bit of acidity and stability, just what you need to keep those meringue twirls intact. Trust me, your Pavlova will be dancing circles around other desserts. Now, our meringue masterpiece is ready for its debut in the oven. It's like sending our Pavlova off to its own baking ballet. The heat transforms it, creating a delicate balance between a crisp exterior and a melt-in-your-mouth interior. The oven is our stage, and the Pavlova is the star. Watch as it turns golden, just like the sun setting on a perfect day. A Pavlova in the oven is like a ballerina in the spotlight, captivating and golden. Our Pavlova has emerged from the oven, a golden masterpiece waiting to be dressed in its final act, a sweet symphony of toppings. Now this is where the real fun begins. Imagine your Pavlova as the belle of the ball and these toppings as its dance partners, each vying for a chance in the spotlight. Berries, kiwis, passion fruit. The stage is set for a topping tango. First up, the strawberries, the prima donnas of the Pavlova world, bold and red, stealing the limelight. Then, we have the kiwis, doing a little green jig, adding a zesty kick to our dance of flavors. But wait, the show isn't complete without a swirl of whipped cream, the Pavlova's partner in crime. It's like the smooth waltz that brings everything together in perfect harmony. Now, folks, if you're feeling a bit adventurous, a drizzle of chocolate, because every Pavlova deserves a touch of decadence. It's like the unexpected pirouette that leaves your taste buds applauding for more. Here's the beauty of Pavlova. It's not just a dessert, it's a personalized experience. Whether you're a fruit virtuoso or a chocolate maestro, the Pavlova lets you compose your own sweet symphony. And there you have it, our Pavlova is ready for its grand finale, the tasting. What's your go-to Pavlova topping? Drop your delicious ideas in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation as lively as our Pavlova dance floor. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things food history. Until next time, keep savoring the stories behind your favorite bites. Happy eating!